Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you can feel the vibe in the salon here. It's wow, it's a good vibe. I am JK. I can't forget to introduce myself because the people who don't know me, maybe it's your first time to bump into this channel. It's Hair Crown UG, and I am a professional hairstylist, a hairdresser, and of course the CEO of Hair Crown UG. Yeah, here we are doing repair for box braids, Pamoja braids. Here we go. This is how they look, Pamoja braids. Stick with me. Stick. Yes. I love this. I love this. Someone has just come in and she was like, she's appreciating what I'm doing. I love it. Thank you so much for appreciating. Yeah. At the end of this video, I really promise you to see the unexpected, to see how this looks so beautiful after looking it. Some people braid their braids, they braid their hair and they reach an extent of removing it when they haven't experienced this beautiful experience of having locked hair. So I want you to stick with me and you see how beautiful this is going to be. Remember, when you're locking hair, endeavor to use different directions. Use east and north, or you can use west and north, or you can go around it. You can go around it, but this applies more on dreadlocks. Going around it will help you to get rid of the lines that show in the boxes or the holes that show in the boxes. There are people who are still naive about locks. They can lock and then it really shows, it looks weird actually. I'll just select that. But the proper locking is west to north or east to north or going around it. Yes. So here I'm using west to north or east to north. This is where we are right now. The part that I've looked so far, it looks nice. As you see, it looks nice, fresh, and organized. It will help you also in giving your client peace. She can't feel any pain at all because I'm looking west and north. I'm looking west and north. Also, the other thing you can tell you about, it is so good to lock hair when it has enough growth. Of course, locking is good with people who love long-lasting hair because it's not good to lock hair that is still fresh. A hair still that is just 1 week or 2 weeks is not advisable to lock it. Such strands is not good to lock them. It's better leave it take some time, take away like a month or 1.5 months or 2 months. Then you're good to go with your locking. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are locking our hair. We are locking it. We are locking it east to north or west to north. Or you can even go around it when you feel like the growth is too much, you can go around it. But it normally applies to dreadlocks. When you reach the front part, you have to mind about where how you're going to hold or how you're going to handle your strands. If you're going to hold a puff, it's good to lock your last lock has to be going behind because you're going to hold a puff. If you're going to set it off, if you're going to leave it free, and that's what you intend to do, the rest of this hair, You can end with the north locking. You can lock your strands from the north direction going to south. Some people are wondering, I'm bringing to this into I'm bringing mathematics into this, or geography, because they're hearing a lot of north, west, south. It's not me, but it's the hairstyle that we are doing, or it's what we are doing when you're locking. Directions are mattering. If you're out there and you want to support me, yes, you can send it. You can send in your support or donation. Yeah, there are different ways. As long as you have my number, I have a friend in America. He normally sends me a contribution using my number, which is plus 256 779 89 4259. Yes, you can send in your contribution if you appreciate what I do, or if you find what I do as a good thing, or if it has helped you, or if you're taking up my lessons from this channel. Yes, you can appreciate me in a different way, in style. You can send me your dollars, you can send me your pounds, shillings, euros, yen, any type of currencies, mafaranga. I welcome it and I'll really appreciate. So allow me to appreciate my friend, Mr. Andrew in USA. Thank you for always standing with me. Thank you for always sending me contributions, sending me some dollars. Thank you, I appreciate. You may see it as a small thing, but I don't take it lightly. So here we go, here we are as we are locking our Pamoja braids. These are Pamoja braids. This is a hairstyle that can also take it for more than 3 months. Of course, don't forget your gel. You have to use gel in softening the process of locking. And of course, you have to be creative. There's nothing like a must. It's a must you have to lock trace. It's a must you have to lock threads. It's a must you have to lock once. No, lock until you feel like all the growth is absorbed in the strand. Lock your strands until you feel like it is fresh, until you feel like it looks okay, until you feel like it is good enough. Yes, I am JK as usual. And if it's your first time, please subscribe. And after subscribing, don't forget to click on the notification bell in order to be notified about the videos I upload almost every day. I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, the comment section is open. You can write to me in the comment section. You can let me know. I'm here for quick replies. You don't have to hurt your clients. You have to be mindful when you're looking. You have to be so mindful. I'm very sure you can see the so far the part I've locked, the big part I've locked. It looks wow, it looks fresh, very very fresh. It looks very very fresh. You see, I'm looking this direction, how the hair is going. So she normally holds a puff. So I have to lock this hair. The last time when because I'm locking trace or trace, but the very last time I lock a strand, it has to be going behind because that's where the direction of her hair is going to be. She wants it to be in a pathway. Or actually, even if you're going to leave it free, you can lock it when you're going behind. It gives it a new, it gives it a good look when the hair goes behind. It gives it a good look. This also happens to dreadlocks. It is also good with dreadlocks. To lock your hair when you're going behind. It looks good. Only the front part, not only the front part actually, but especially the front part. So ladies and gentlemen, we are done. But then we want to add something. Since she was hoping to keep her hair for some time, she told me to put for her something like cows. So I'm putting cows, not like cows, but actually cows. I'm putting cows. This is how they put cows. You get your pamlods. These sticks are called pamlods. I go on rolling the braids on the pamlods. I'm putting cows at the end. That's why I told you to keep up with me because there is something always I bring on board. There is something I bring to every video. Something that you didn't know that you need to learn. If you know it, then you're lucky. But I'm sure most people don't know about the things I bring to you. This is how they put the cows. I'm putting them at the end, and then after putting these cows, if you want them to stick, of course you have to get very very hot water. You have to cook. You have to boil water to a temperature that is so high. That is so high. Yeah, you can use a heater, a percolator, anything you use, it's okay. A kettle to cook this water, anything you can use. Hope you can feel the vibe in the room. I'm in here at my workplace in the salon. Hope you can feel the vibe. Don't worry about the noise, don't worry about people. It's okay, just stick here with me, what I'm doing. As I put my curls using the palm loops. There are different types of palm loops. There are those long ones, there are short ones, there are small ones, there are huge ones. It depends on the type of cows. It matters, by the way, the type of the palm loops you use are the type of the cows that you will get. If you use the longer ones, you get longer cows. If you use these ones, you get shorter cows. For this case, you wanted shorter cows. That's why I'm using these ones. Hey, I was forgetting to give an applause to my friends in Nigeria. You are big up on you. You are so good. You are so big. You are so good people. South Africa, big up to you. Canada, big up to you. Of course, America, big up to you. All around the world, Qatar, all around the world, Jamaica, UK, France, Germany, big up on you. We are doing up the pair. We're almost getting to the climax of our video. But remember, we've just palm loaded. We need to finish up our process. Yes, I've really done a tremendous work on this mode of mine. At the very end of this video, I want you to see how beautiful she's gonna be looking. Then we are dipping our palm here in water. You have to dip them in very hot water, as I've told you. I've just cooked this water in a percolator. It has to be very hot in order to make these cows come out so well, appear so well. So here we're dipping it in very hot water. Temperature has to be very high. So this is how I dip them. You have to have a towel to dry them in a towel. So I'm drying them in a towel with a towel. Then I have to remove them. I am removing my palm loads. I want you to see at the very end. This is how you have to remove your palm loads. You remove them, and after removing them, of course, you go on separating your cows so well, because I've joined them. Now I'm separating one. Separating my swans one. I'm separating my cows one. Wow! Thank you for sticking with me. Endeavor to give me thumbs up. Endeavor to thank me. Endeavor to share this here channel. Never subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. Wow, the cows look so beautiful. They are really so wow. So beautiful. Look at my model. She's, oh my goodness. You watch very well and see the results on how she looks. Wow, the cows are so beautiful. She's looking so beautiful. Wow. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.